Wow, guys, I am blown away. We have passed 14,300 subscribers. So I truly, truly appreciate it. I want to bring the best to you guys every single day in regards to Dogecoin, Jasmy. We've talked a little bit of XRP, AOs. I mean, we've got a lot of different cryptos and stocks, of course. And today we're going to talk about Dogecoin. Major update that I got to share with you all. And just so you all are aware, we've had a record breaking over 27 signups in the last 24 hours to the Patreon. So truly, truly appreciate all current members and all new members that just joined. It's absolutely going to get very exciting, especially if you're in the Discord, which you get access to. I just posted a 13-minute exclusive video on Dogecoin for members. Okay. Here's everything I'm seeing right now. Dogecoin is up over 255% from my buy cost basis, basically. So my perspective may be different than yours, and my timeline may be different, but these are the facts, guys. So make sure you join the Patreon down below, sign up for the video tier so you can get weekly exclusive videos. And I put a lot of time into this. You can see it's 13 minutes, and I go over a lot of different scenarios that I think could happen very soon. But I will share a nugget with you guys that I did share with current members right now is on a daily time frame. You want to be aware of a couple of things. So Dogecoin has absolutely just ran through every resistance point we were talking about, right? We were stuck on 32 cents for a while. Well, that literally happened, guys, in a couple days. Okay. So I did take some profit. Patreon members were alerted. I've sold about 40% of my overall Dogecoin. Okay. And I was selling from 32 cents all the way to current where we're at. Now, I didn't catch the top last night at 42. Actually, it hit 43, almost 44 cents. I was asleep. That's usually how it works, what they do to us. But this is what you need to be aware of. Right now, I just want to study the RSI real quick. Let me actually make this bigger for you all. And let me open this up. So the RSI right now is getting very overbought. Okay. Right now, as I'm making this video, and it is 4:08 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the RSI is at 92. Okay. Now, it still looks like it may want to move higher, but we want to look back and see what has happened before to Dogecoin. Well, when we were at 92.26 before, we were right about here. So we had about one more day, maybe 2 more days of green, of a pump. Okay. We also were touching the yellow Keltner lines. We've already been doing that, right? This is a good signal to tell us time to take some profit because this thing could fall over. Now, I just want you to be cautious of what could happen. So we saw before when the RSI got super high like this, which it's literally almost at that line, Dogecoin fell from 20 cents, ultimately from March 4th to March 19th. Okay, so a couple weeks from 20 cents all the way to 12 to 13 cents. Okay, then it bottomed short term and it rallied higher. So the question is that about to happen right now? Are we about to fall down almost 50%, which would get us close to about 22 to 23 cents? You can see the 21 EMA is right here as well. You could see old resistance is in this area as well, right? We have a wick right here, which was acting as resistance, but then it pulled back and it broke through. So this is old resistance around 21, 22 cents, which could turn into new support if we pull back down and test it. Can that happen? Absolutely. We've seen what Dogecoin has done, especially when it gets overbought like this. So let's look again at what's happened even before this time. So you can see I have these 3 white arrows right here to make it very simple for you to understand. So before this time, this RSI hit it as well, 92 to 93. And let's just zoom in on this time, okay? And let's look at what happened. So during this time, you could see on this point right here, there was a short-term top. We topped out at 15 cents. Then we pulled back the next day to 11 cents. And then 2 more days, we topped out at 16 cents. Okay, we made a higher high on Dogecoin. Let me zoom in a little more. Okay, so we made a higher high and the RSI made a lower high. This is negative divergence. What happened at this point? Dogecoin crashed from November 1st, 2022, all the way down to 7 cents from 15 cents. So about 50% drawdown to November 9th. So November 1st to November 9th. So again, about a week and a half. Okay. And then we kind of consolidated and then we rallied a little higher and then pulled back. Now, this is a different time than we're at right now. Right now, we're in a bull market, right? Bitcoin has hit new all-time highs. It's looking very good. But you can't shy away from what's actually happening with the RSI. And this is why I've been taking healthy profits. Okay. I don't believe in catching the ultimate top. Let me rephrase. I don't believe Dogecoin's run is over. I don't think this is the top of the bull run. Okay. This could be a short-term top though, topping process, right? And I broke down the exact price that I think we can go to next. 2 members, so 2 posts this morning in regards to Dogecoin, and that's where we're at right now. So we look again, this line, we climbed it. What happened? We wicked very high up to 10 cents, and then the next several days we pulled back all the way to 2 cents. Can you imagine the fear people had at 10 cents pulling back? And then what happened? We climbed higher. So this is why a trading opportunity could be coming soon for Dogecoin and why I've exited some of my position. And I'm sitting in cash right now because I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see if we get that pullback. Okay. And if we go higher, great. I still have Dogecoin and I'll make more money. Okay. Of course, it's not financial advice. Not financial advice. It's all my own opinion. But you need to be aware of this overbought level right now. Now, this was the massive run everyone was waiting for. And this could be where we're at today, right? The bull run could be right now for the next several months. Who knows what's going to happen in 2025? Okay. Usually after a Bitcoin halving event, cryptos run for about 12 to 18 months. So the event was in April. Right now we're in November. So it's been about 6-7 months. And we're already seeing explosive moves with Dogecoin. Now, my game plan is if Dogecoin doesn't pull back like it has every time we've reached this line, if it just keeps going, I have certain sell targets where I'll be selling. And of course, members are alerted on exactly when I sell. Okay. Of course, you got to do what you got to do. But this is just my plan. Maybe 100% different than yours. Okay. And I'm going to have buy targets if we do experience a pullback like this. Okay. When the RSI gets very overbought, it pulls back. Here's the big run though that we got to end this video with. Okay. This was the big run. So Dogecoin actually went past this line. Okay. And it still pulled back though. Right. So once we got to this line of 92, we were on, this is important. So please stay to the very end because I just want you guys to understand this. So we were actually at, when we hit 92, which is where we're at right now, we were like right here. We still had one more day of a green candle and then a massive pullback. Okay. So this is trading opportunities, but ultimately guys, every time we reach this line, Dogecoin tends to pull back. I mean, this was on April 16th, and I know there's a lot of volatility where you pull back, swings higher, but ultimately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, another week. So usually about a week to 2 weeks, Dogecoin pulls back, and then the monster rally comes. This is when you sell it all, okay? When negative divergence forms, you sell it all. And we're going to be locked in. So again, I appreciate the trust. We had over like 27 members sign up yesterday for the Patreon. I made 2 new crypto updates of cryptos that I bought in the last 2 days that I think are very undervalued. So those posts are in there as well. You can join as low as $10 a month, or if you want to Zoom one-on-one every single month, it's $40. And I'll teach you literally my mindset on this, really how you can maximize your gains. We've called multiple stocks, multiple cryptos, and we're here to stay, man. Like, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going all in the rest of this year, and especially into 2025. I want us all to win And this is just what I'm looking at right now. So again, we are at about 40 cents right now. You got to decide what you want to do. What is your game plan? Okay. We're very overbought on the daily time frame. This is actually just going to be a longer video because this is good stuff. We got to look at the stochastic also. Okay. So let's study this real quick. So with the stochastic on a daily time frame, it's obviously topping out. This can curl over. It's done it before, but these are just small pullbacks. When it's done it before, the RSI was not overbought though. So the momentum was still going up. Right now, the RSI is overbought, trading literally at 40 cents right now. Okay. So if we go back in time to all these points and we study the stochastic also, okay, the stochastic at all these points was literally where it's at right now. We may have another green day. Today may be very bullish. We may even blow past the 40 cent level. But ultimately, what goes up must come down. Okay. If you have a long-term perspective on Dogecoin, then this video may be irrelevant for you. But I just got to share the facts with you. Here's another stochastic super high, curled over. Okay. When the RSI is this high, stochastic is at the top, it curls over. Well, right now, guys, the RSI is up here and the stochastic is right here. So how greedy are you going to be? That's all you got to walk away with understanding in this video. How greedy are you going to be? Okay, profit is profit. Now at this point, again, it peaked really high, but what happened? The stochastic curled over. The stochastic is always going to curl over. So trading opportunities will come with Dogecoin, and I'm locking in. Again, I'm sitting on a ton of cash right now from the profit that I took from my Dogecoin position. I will sell more if we hit certain price targets that I've outlined for everyone, if we move higher. If not, I'm going to sit on cash right now and I'm going to wait because I don't think the bull run is over. There has been no negative divergence like this. See, here's another example. The negative divergence that forms. Dogecoin pulls back, makes a higher high. The asset makes, the RSI makes a lower high. The asset makes a higher high. And then a short-term bear market. This is what we experienced for the last 6 months for Dogecoin. Okay. We called this run earlier, if you remember, at 8-9 cents. It ran up, and obviously we've been adding more on this pullback. And now we've had an even bigger run, and I think maybe an even bigger run is coming. But we'll see. So it's important that you take profit, in my opinion. Again, it's not financial advice, it's just my own opinion. Good morning, by the way. I hope you're having a great morning. It's 4:18. We're locked in. Drop a like, subscribe. If we get blasted through 15,000 subscribers today, that'd be absolutely amazing. I appreciate all the love, all the views. I mean, these Dogecoin videos are getting over 10,000 views. So I definitely appreciate it. And I want to bring my best to you guys every single day. Hopefully this video was helpful. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if this was helpful for you and your family. And we'll see you on the next one.